Now guys, this is my favorite part. You all know about it क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से चाहता हूँ, to communicate, to establish this link between us, which is going very strong by the way. You all know the address to reach out. It's tv@ndtv.com and I am answering, a few of the questions जो आपने पूछे हैं about this dynamic world of gadgets. Let's see क्या है सवाल for this week.
Hi Tech Guruji, I'm Shamli and I have a question for you. How often should I upgrade my devices?
Oh, kind of an easy question at the same time very difficult as well because it depends on the kind of stuff you're talking about. Let's say talking about television, तो आप 10 साल तक यूज कर सकते हैं and I think it should work fine and that's the idea while we buy a new TV. If it's a refrigerator, again, like multiple years. If it's a mobile phone, I would say ideally minimum 2 years. It could be even 3 and 4, like depending on how much do you use your phone and how is your phone aging. But I think 2 साल से पहले upgrade करना would not be a wise decision.
Hello Tech Guruji, I'm Jyoti and my question is, how do machines follow and understand voice commands like Siri or Alexa?
A very interesting question and I'm glad that you asked this because ये वो चीजें हैं which we kind of use on a daily basis. Hey Google, what's the temperature? What's the weather? But क्या पता कि कैसे समझा Google ने कि आप यही बोल रहे हैं what's the weather या whatever. And guys, it's a very kind of interesting model here because होता क्या है, the moment you say something, the moment you say a command, what is sound? Sound is basically nothing but a wave. अगर आपने कभी give you a very simple example, अगर आपने कभी एक साउंड वेव को देखा हो, अगर आपने विजुलाइज किया हो on your device let's say, तो आपको दिखता है कि एक ऐसा आपको जो है वो एक पैटर्न दिखाई देता है, the way the wave is. Now वहाँ से उसको extract किया जाता है, kind of the levels of each cycle. आपको extract करने के बाद में they filter it to make sure that you get correct values, the correct levels for kind of each cycle. And because we have these reference points, हमको पता है कि जब hello बोलते हैं, आपकी आवाज में जब आप hello बोलते हैं तो उसके reference points क्या होते हैं. So these there are very smart models which match kind of these two waves to analyze कि आखिर आपने बोला क्या है. I mean, I'm just giving you a very simple example, but this is what goes behind the scenes. काफी और ज़्यादा detailed scientific तरीके से, but that's how your Siri or your Alexa or your Google knows कि आपने बोला क्या है.